Leptocorisa Oratorius is a whisper at harvest time. It teaches us that small negligence, when timed perfectly, can undo great effort. Like a guest who arrives when the table is full, it reminds us that vulnerability often appears at the moment of abundance. Leptocorisa Oratorius is a whisper at harvest time. It teaches us that small negligence, when timed perfectly, can undo great effort. Like a guest who arrives when the table is full, it reminds us that vulnerability often appears at the moment of abundance. Leptocorisa Oratorius is a whisper at harvest time. It teaches us that small negligence, when timed perfectly, can undo great effort. Like a guest who arrives when the table is full, it reminds us that vulnerability often appears at the moment of abundance.